Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Math for Kids. Today we'll learn how to compare numbers using the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Let's get started. The greater than symbol points to the smaller number. The less than symbol points to the larger number. If both numbers are the same, we use the equal sign. Look at these two numbers. Which number is greater? I'll give you 5 seconds to think.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy, the wife takes the child.
The correct answer is 45 is greater than 32. We write it like this, 45 greater than 32. Now try this one. Which number is greater? Think carefully.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog.
The correct answer is 18 is less than 27. We write it like this, 18 less than 27. Look at these numbers. Are they the same?
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy,
Yes,
the dog
they are
takes
equal.
the cat.
We write it like this, 56 equals 56. Great job. Now it's your turn to practice. Look at these two numbers. Which symbol belongs in the middle?
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the
The correct answer is 64 is greater than 46. Let's try the next question. Look at these two numbers. 29 and 92. Which symbol belongs in the middle? Take 5 seconds to think. The correct answer is 29 is less than 92. Great job. Let's move on to the next question. Look at these two numbers. 81 and 81. Which symbol belongs in the middle? Take 5 seconds to think.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
The correct answer is 81 is equal to 81. Great job. Let's move on to the next question. Look at these two numbers. 53 and 35. Which symbol belongs in the middle? Take 5 seconds to think.
The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow.
Which symbol belongs in the middle? Take 5 seconds to think. Great job. Here's the final question. Look at these two numbers. 14 and 41. Which symbol belongs in the middle? Take 5 seconds to think.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat.
The correct answer is 14 is less than 41.
The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho,
Thanks
the
for watching.
dairy-o, the cat
See you
takes
in the
the
next
mouse.
math lesson.